Rapid vulnerability discovery and effective vulnerability management have never been as important, vital in fact, as they are today. Vulnerability timelines are collapsing rapidly year over year. Sometimes we see them down to 24 hours. This puts downward pressure across the industry in vulnerability management.
How do you prioritize so that we can detect and respond to the vulnerabilities that matter most at a velocity that is commensurate with the attack styles, techniques, and speeds that our adversaries are dealing with today?
I'm Matt Hussein, and I've spent years training organizations how to perform vulnerability assessments, delivering them myself, and also evaluating vulnerability management programs for Fortune 500 organizations to determine room for efficiency, improvements, and how to maximize the effectiveness of their vulnerability program given the constraints of their enterprise. At Black Hat 2026, I'll be training you on exactly how we do just that.
You'll work through realistic enterprise-focused lab activities that are in our customized range that exists exclusively in the cloud. During these lab activities, we're going to cover multiple different topics, things like continuous threat and exposure management. We're going to have AI-enabled labs to identify opportunities on how you might perform scoping in a more realistic context and what specific types of information you may want to elicit from the organization that you're going to be performing a vulnerability assessment for, be they an internal or external client. Finally, we're going to dive deep into enterprise vulnerability discovery, validation, and triage so that we can really understand how to dig deep, how to create our own custom scripts to find vulnerabilities themselves, and how to accelerate the capability of our vulnerability assessment and management program beyond just running tools and into a realm all our own. This is tactical vulnerability assessment. Black Hat courses, they fill fast every year, and so if you'd like to be one of the first to be able to attend this and share this experience with me, please register as soon as you can. If you do, I'll see you in Vegas.